Hey guys, Zengus, and today I'm going to give you a full unboxing and also a review of the Treblab J1 Bluetooth headphones. So firstly, I would like to thank Treblab for sending these to me and actually giving me an opportunity to try these out. So let's start with the unboxing, and the packaging is sort of very similar to what I've seen on most headphones that have been actually sent to me, where we've got like a sleeve, and then we've also got the product description on the sleeve itself, most of the information that you need to know, and then we've just got a remaining cardboard box. I don't really like this sort of style of packaging because it just feels a bit cheap. These headphones are around £30 on Amazon, so they aren't cheap, and I would prefer to see more premium packaging. But let's move on. So we have some accessories, we also have a free sticker, and then we also have a user manual as well. And then after that we also have the remaining accessories. So we have a micro USB cable for charging, and then in the actual case we'll have the actual headphones. So just taking a quick look at the instructions, they're very nicely printed and also nicely labelled. I'll admit they are a bit cluttered, but it is quite thorough, so it does make sure that you'll know how to connect them. Generally most Bluetooth headphones are very simple. It just requires that you hold the power button for more than 5 seconds, which puts it into pairing mode. I wish some headphones would go straight into pairing mode as soon as you turn them on, but generally you have to turn them into pairing mode rather than just turn them on. So in the free travel case that's provided, we have some headphones, then we also have some rubber earbuds, then we also have some ear fins, and then some extra earbuds as well. So it's nice to know that we've got some extra accessories and extra size earbuds for different ears. So firstly, let's talk about the design. What I don't like is that there are quite small buttons on the volume rocker, and these are both hard to press and not very clicky. Also, it's a not very ergonomic design because they're very straight, so they don't really curve into the ear. And when I am wearing them, they don't feel very secure. I definitely wouldn't wear these while running because I prefer to take the ear fins off as they're quite uncomfortable. The bass isn't very strong on these. It's only really noticeable at high volumes, but the clarity on these are very good, and these can also go very loud. I think that the sound is impressive, but I didn't like the design. If I were to score the design, I would give it 2 out of 5 and the sound 4 out of 5. It's a bit disappointing because I think most of the problems with these Bluetooth headphones is actually in the design rather than the sound. I honestly enjoy listening to music on these headphones, and at full volume I think that they are great, but things like them being uncomfortable, and also I don't really like the look of them either. They do have a magnetic design which allows them to clip together, which I think is useful, but pretty much all Bluetooth headphones have that now, so it's not a very unique feature. But it does mean that when you're not using them, you can clip them round your neck and they won't fall off. A good thing about these headphones is the range. I put my phone in my bedroom and then went to another room about 6 to 7 meters away, so there's a wall between us, and it did start to break, but generally that's quite impressive for most Bluetooth headphones. So in terms of the range, I would say they are good. One thing I also liked was the free case, as I've tested hundreds of headphones in the past, and usually a lot of cases are included with horrible materials, but the ones included with these headphones are a great size, they're pocket size as well, and it just feels good in the hand. Overall, I'm going to give these headphones 3 out of 5. I think the sound did impress me, but the design disappointed me. So I think that would be a good point for them to work on. I have also tested other Treblab headphones before, and it would be difficult to say whether these are worse or better. So there's my full review of these headphones. Of course, if you did find it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and thanks very much for watching.